Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a milestone on Upwork. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to add more milestones for their contractors to work with on Upwork. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that first you're going to click on an active contract. So here we have an active contract, and we're going to view that contract. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to click this button that says add a new milestone. Once you've done that, you'll be able to add a new milestone. So here we can input the name. So we'll just say that this is for a video edit for episode 4. The amount will be $65. You can add a due date, and you could also add a description. Normally I don't do this just because a lot of the description takes place via messages, but you are more than welcome to add a due date or description and then click on save. So now you can see that I have 2 milestones currently for this contract, and then you're just going to scroll down again and then click on save changes. Now once you've done that, it's going to ask you to activate a milestone. So click on activate and fund. Next on this page, it's going to ask you to select a billing method, and then you're just going to click on fund milestone. And so there you have it. You've now gone ahead and added a milestone, and once you do that, it is going to appear in escrow until the work is completed, and then once it's completed, you can simply just release the payment. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new milestone on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.